This presentation is brought to you by the folks at ArmadilloLifeInsurance.com and Canadian Financial, located in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. We are pleased to bring you this certified armadillo protection tip. Listen closely. This is a very, very important protection tip for Canadians. We will be essentially teaching you the best way to start on your route to protect your future and your family by starting an emergency fund to help protect your future and your family from possible loss. And it's about protecting your savings for what may be important in a high rate and low risk environment. Please telephone us for more info. We recommend that you ask for a mobile representative. A friendly representative will come to your home or office to explain more about how these ideas can work for you and to set up an account, all at your convenience. Now, on with the presentation. Manulife Bank is a strong partner. The first thing to know is that Manulife Bank is a major player in the Canadian marketplace. You may have already heard of Manulife Insurance. A couple of points to know. Manulife Bank is a member of the Canadian Deposit Insurance Corporation. The CDIC protects Canadian bank accounts, currently up to $100,000. Manulife Bank is a Schedule I bank, wholly owned by Manulife Financial. Currently, Manulife Bank is listed number 8 in Canada, which is no small feat. They have more than $20 billion in high-quality assets and hold A1 ratings from Standard & Poor. Most important to you is that Manulife Bank is offered exclusively through financial advisors since 1993, and mobile representatives are available and dedicated to providing high-quality service to you. Manulife Bank's greatest strength and why they've grown so fast in Canada is their high-interest savings accounts. These are high-yield accounts that pay you a high-yield interest each month, paid monthly to your bank account. This is a great way to save for an emergency fund, which should be anywhere from 3 to 6 months of your annual salary. And we have a few other ideas that I will mention shortly. You can also place the Manulife Bank high-interest savings account into different registrations, such as your registered retirement savings account or your tax-free savings account. Manulife Bank can be set up for business or personal accounts. They can be Canadian or U.S. accounts. Manulife Bank also has term deposits. We believe that the Manulife Bank high-interest savings accounts are the best value. But please check with a qualified Manulife Bank mobile representative. They can evaluate your personal situation to help apply other strategies. The Manulife Bank high-interest account is called the Advantage account. As mentioned earlier, these are high-yield accounts that pay you a high-yield interest each month, paid monthly to your bank account. Unlike other bank accounts, they pay you premium interest on every dollar. There is no minimum deposit needed. They just pay you the monthly interest earned. Yet, the Manulife Bank still allows you to do regular banking activities. For instance, access your money by check, ABM withdrawal, and debit payments, pay bills online, transfer funds to any other account on file with Manulife Bank or any other Canadian bank, and make account inquiries through internet or by easily telephoning Manulife Bank to make transactions. Last but not least, no monthly fees. Manulife Bank Advantage account is truly a high-yield savings account that can be used for all sorts of reasons. At Canadian Financial and Armadillo Life Insurance, we believe that the number one way to use the Manulife Bank account is for protection, to protect your future and your family, and to protect your savings. The Manulife Bank Advantage account is a great way to save for the unlikely event of unforeseen emergencies. Typically, emergency savings should be anywhere from 3 to 6 months of your salary. If something should happen, you have this money to fall back on, to live on, pay unforeseen expenses, etc. If you learn nothing else from this presentation, please take away that you and every Canadian needs an emergency fund. Protect your future and your family. That being said, you can use Manulife Bank for many reasons. Many use Manulife Bank as their primary bank account. If you like smart banking with no fees and feel comfortable not going to a brick-and-mortar banking institution, Then you can use Manulife Bank for all your banking needs. I personally have used Manulife Bank as my primary account for about 20 years. You can set up as many secondary accounts as you like, and for a wide variety of different uses. At Canadian Financial, we have accounts that have accounts for their general savings, travel savings, emergency savings, car savings, etc. You get the idea. Transferring back and forth from each account is easy to do online. The third type of common use we list here is for investment. As mentioned earlier, you definitely need an emergency account. But many people also consider their Manulife Bank for long-term or short-term savings, since the interest rate is so good and the account has so much flexibility. Your Manulife Bank Advantage account could be a holding account for a large purchase, or as mentioned earlier, you can use Manulife Bank for business accounts and for many other types of savings. To summarize, the Manulife Bank Advantage account pays a high rate of interest on every dollar held in your account, allows easy access to your money, comes with internet and telephone banking, debit purchase, and an ABM card, option for checks, and online bill payment and transfers. Who can ask for more? A note about the exchange network. They allow for no convenience fees, deposit capabilities, and 2,300 or more ABMs, including major banks like Royal Bank, National Bank, and HSBC. For customers that run a business, as a reminder, you can set up a Business Advantage account. As they say, make your short-term cash work harder. The Advantage account provides real growth for business short-term capital. Like personal accounts, these business accounts pay premium interest on every dollar and use internet and telephone services to manage your account, pay bills, and transfer funds. You can write checks and make deposits at any Royal Bank drop location. The part I like best, no monthly fee. This is truly unique for a business bank account. What makes the Manulife Bank Business Advantage account different than other business bank accounts? Well, they pay a high rate of interest on every dollar held in your account. You have easy access to your money. There is internet and telephone banking, debit purchase, and ABM card. And you have the ability to write checks and do online bill payment. As mentioned, no monthly fee. The Manulife Bank Business Advantage account is the only business account we are aware of that has no monthly fee. This is a huge plus. Manulife Bank Advantage account is also an excellent place for money that is otherwise placed within a tax-free savings account. If you have a tax-free savings account held elsewhere, you can easily transfer to a Manulife Bank tax-free account. Simply ask a Canadian Financial and Armadillo Life Insurance mobile representative to open an account for you. Then you can benefit from the Manulife Bank tax-free savings account's many features, including high premium interest within a fully liquid tax-free savings account, no minimum deposit needed, high rate of interest on every dollar held in your account, fully liquid account, no penalty to withdraw, full features of tax-free savings account, meaning that all interest is earned tax-free from Canada's tax system. Every little bit of tax savings helps. You likely already pay too much to Canada's Maple Leaf Foundation. Maybe you are okay with that, but if you wish to save taxes, then a tax-free savings account is for you. Like the other Manulife Bank Advantage accounts, there is no monthly fee on the tax-free savings accounts. The tax-free savings account is easy to access. You just link to your primary or other Advantage accounts. Deposit options are easy. Best way is to first talk with a mobile representative at Canadian Financial and Armadillo Life Insurance. Mail a check to Manulife Bank. Set up a pre-authorized payment plan from any other Canadian bank account. Transfer funds from any other personal Canadian bank account. Transfer funds from any other tax-free account. Never a fee to do so. Tip: the account must be in the same client name. Withdrawing money is also easy. You can obtain an official check from Manulife Bank. Transfer your Manulife Bank tax-free account to another Manulife Bank Advantage account, such as your primary or secondary Manulife Bank Advantage accounts. Transfer to any other Canadian investment or banking institution, including another tax-free savings account. Here are some tips. Your Manulife Bank tax-free savings account can be used for many different reasons, including first portion of any non-registered assets. What I mean here is transfer all that you are allowed to, because your tax-free savings account is free from Canadian taxation. Currently, the Canadian government imposes upper limits on your tax-free savings account. So shelter all that you are allowed to in a Manulife Bank tax-free savings account. You can also use your Manulife Bank tax-free savings account for your must-have emergency fund, savings for purchases. If you are a low-income earner, it is a good idea to talk with a mobile representative of Canadian Financial and Armadillo Life Insurance. They can tell more about why a tax-free savings account is likely more beneficial than a traditional registered retirement savings account. In fact, Canada developed a tax-free savings account with the low-income person in mind. At the other end of the income scale, tax-free savings accounts are useful for those persons that have already maximized their registered savings account room. For senior and retirees, the tax-free savings account is an excellent way to save excess retirement or registered retirement income fund monies, or save for that vacation. There are many strategies useful. For instance, a person can save to their registered retirement savings account. Then, when the tax refund comes, save the balance to their tax-free savings account. A combo move. A qualified Canadian Financial and Armadillo Life Insurance mobile representative can best explain the options available and other useful strategies. Call today. Another vehicle for your Advantage account savings is within a registered retirement savings account. Many people nowadays do not wish to save to other traditional registered retirement savings account investments, and instead wish safety of capital. The registered retirement savings account has no fees. Unlike other money market funds available through brokers, there is never a fee. Premium high interest rate. Investment money is never locked in. It is a great place to hold your registered retirement savings account on a temporary basis in case you are considering other investment products, but are waiting for the right time. This is a great short-term holding account. The registered retirement savings account and Manulife Bank Advantage account is an excellent combination, high interest and low risk investment. The Manulife Bank Advantage account is also available in U.S. funds. If you appreciate the U.S. economy and wish to hold U.S. investments, consider a U.S. Advantage account. No tiers or minimum balances. Never a monthly fee. Internet and phone banking. Withdrawals, deposits, and transfers to other Canadian institutions and transfers within Manulife Bank. The U.S. Advantage account is also available as a U.S. Business Advantage account. Available to incorporated and unincorporated business, organizations, and trusts, like the Business Advantage account. There is no tiers or minimum balances. Never a monthly fee. Internet and phone banking. Withdrawals, deposits, and transfers to other Canadian institutions and transfers within Manulife Bank. Last major points for you. Thanks for listening and coming this far into the video. We appreciate you taking the time to listen to us. Consider, who says you have to drive in the slow lane to be safe? Manulife Bank Advantage accounts have three main benefits: growth, convenience, security. Manulife Bank Advantage savings accounts are the perfect way to grow your money in a convenient and secure manner. If nothing else, be sure to set up your emergency fund or other savings account with Manulife Bank. Be sure to take advantage of the many benefits that a Manulife Bank Advantage account offers you. Another tip for you, in case you already have a financial planner that you are working with. The Manulife Bank Advantage savings account can be part of your larger investment dealer account. If you have one, the Manulife Bank Advantage savings account can be placed inside your already existing self-directed registered retirement savings account. One last comment. Manulife Bank does have other products, such as GICs. We personally believe that there is no product better than the Manulife Bank Advantage account, so much so that you likely will not need any other savings product. We believe in Manulife Bank Advantage accounts that much. Please talk to a mobile representative to discuss the many ways Manulife Bank can help. You can start by opening your first Manulife Bank Advantage account. In addition to providing a great way to save, you will be pleased at the excellent service that Manulife Bank offers. This has been a certified Armadillo protection tip. We hope you have enjoyed this presentation. Learn more. Contact us today. Hurry! Contact a mobile representative now. We look forward to serving you.